you enjoy my videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to make sure that you get notified when I upload new videos. Hey, what's up? I'm Ignace Aleya from ToleratedCinematics.com, and today it's Wednesday, which means a random video. And this time we're going to be talking about the subscribers we're almost about to reach. We're going to be reaching 150,000 subscribers, but instead of just making a video to thank everyone that has supported us and reaching this amount of subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway. And that's where we actually collaborated with Aputure lights. You might actually know Aputure lights from some of my videos. They actually produce professional lights for an amazing price quality. These lights are actually Hollywood quality lights, all LED based, so they produce minimal heat and they also go for a long time and have a very low energy usage, which is really interesting because then you can use them with batteries and stuff like that. But okay, I'm going to stop explaining who Aputure Light is. They actually collaborated together with us to be able to give away something on the 150,000 subscribers that we're about to reach. They are willing to give away one of the ring lights that I'm using actually right now. And this ring light is actually an LED light which produces an extreme amount of light. You can dial in the intensity of the light, and you can also set it up as a flashlight by mounting it on your camera. And when you take a picture, you can actually see it flash. So that's amazing. You can use it for photos, you can use it for film. Ideal for videos where you're talking to the camera and you want a nice soft light around your face, or you're actually filming in a dark situation, maybe a party and you're filming something. You want your subjects to have some lights on them, so that's where this light comes in. It also adapts to any kind of lens that you might have because they give a bunch of adapters for your lens, so this actually would fit on there, so you don't have to worry about that either. The battery power also goes a very long time. It's an easy setup. I love using it. I'm using it all the time for my videos now. I must say that the light itself, even at its lowest value, was quite intense for me, and I kind of was blinded by the light. So what I did, as these LED lights don't produce any heat, especially in this small ring light, what I did is I added some paper on top of it to make some kind of a diffuser. So now the light is even softer and the light I get on my eyes isn't as intense, so now I'm not blinded by this light and I have a nice diffused kind of result. So this is some kind of home trick that I did for this ring light, but it works great. So yeah, that's a giveaway for 150,000 subscribers, and all you have to do to enter in this giveaway is simply going to the link in the description, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to their channel from Aputure Lights. That's all you have to do. You're entered in the giveaway. If you want to let us know why you would love to win this, definitely leave a comment below with why you could use it, what your plans are, and yeah, maybe you are the lucky winner. Also, if you want to go ahead and check Aputure Lights and their website, they have a bunch to offer, all amazing products. I love working with their products, as these lights are very professional. I can do a lot of things with it. It's easy to go on a travel with. You can actually mount even batteries on there, so if you're outdoor and you want to use lights, they all have these possibilities. So check out their website. Whatever you need, I'm sure they have a light for you. And it's amazing they gave me an opportunity to make a giveaway for my 150,000 subscribers. So yeah, they're going to arrange everything from the shipment, so you don't have to worry about a thing. If you're the winner, you just get your light at your door and that's it. So may the best win, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.